Hello friends, myself Neema Sati and welcome back to my channel Study Point. Students, when your exams approaches near, you plan your study. आप लोग अपनी स्टडी की प्लानिंग करते हो, कब खेलें, कब सोएं, कब स्टडी करें एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट की प्लानिंग करते हो. As well as your parents need to do planning to run the house. They provide you good food, clothes and good education. इसके लिए वो प्लानिंग करते हैं. It's just about your small family. बट इमेजिन हाउ द गवर्नमेंट रन्स होल कंट्री. इमेजिन करो गवर्नमेंट पूरा देश कैसे चलाती होगी. सो गवर्नमेंट नीड प्रॉपर फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन अ टॉपिक ऑफ मैथ सब्जेक्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड. द टॉपिक इज फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग. इट इज लेसन नंबर 4, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग. गवर्नमेंट्स नीड फंड्स फॉर पब्लिक एक्सपेंडिचर. गवर्नमेंट को देश चलाने के लिए पैसे की ज़रूरत होती है. From where does it comes? This fund comes from taxes which we pay to government. So जो टैक्स गवर्नमेंट लेती है वो कौन से हैं? वो हैं डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस एंड इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस. डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस एग्जांपल्स इनकम टैक्स, वेल्थ टैक्स, पोल टैक्स, लैंड टैक्स एक्सेट्रा. इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस are applied on the sale and services of goods. Earlier, these indirect taxes were different. These were excise duty, service tax, custom duty, central surcharge and seize tax, VAT, entertainment tax, luxury tax, octroi, central sales tax, countervailing duty tax, special additional duty tax. Now, government applied new tax instead of these different taxes. Only one tax for one nation. Only one tax, that is GST. So students, अब हमें इतने सारे indirect taxes की जगह only one tax GST पे करना पड़ता है. GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. It was implemented on 1st July 2017. GST is classified as CGST, SGST, UTGST and IGST. CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax. It is paid to central government. In Maharashtra, we have to pay CGST and SGST both. SGST, State Goods and Service Tax. And this SGST paid to state government. UTGST, Union Territory Goods and Service Tax. In Union Territories, we have to pay UTGST. You know, Chandigarh, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Delhi, Daman and Diu and Pondicherry etc. are Union Territory states. IGST, Interstate Goods and Service Tax. जब दो स्टेट में ट्रांजैक्शन होता है तब हमें ये टैक्स अप्लाइड होता है. The Goods and Service Tax (GST), which was launched on 1st July 2017. Under this tax system, business entities will now need to register under GST and obtain a unique 15-digit Goods and Service Tax identification number (GST). Is mandatory by the government for business with annual turnover exceeding rupees 20 lakhs. This is 15-digit GST number. The first 2 digits represents the state code as per Indian Census 2011. Here 27 is Maharashtra state code. Next A, B, C, D, E 1, 2, 3, 4, H. It is a PAN number. PAN means permanent account number. Next one, this represents one registration and Z means same for all. 5 is check code. इसका मतलब है ये रजिस्ट्रेशन वैलिड है या नहीं. It may be digit or alphabet. Let's see this tax invoice of good purchase. On top left, there is supplier's name and address and invoice number. On right side, GST number, that is Goods and Service Tax Identification Number. I have already explained it. Now you can see HSN code. It indicates numerical code for different goods. After that, you can see rate for CGST and SGST, and both are same. If the rate of GST is 5%, then the rate of SGST and CGST is 2.5%. It means CGST and SGST always in equal proportion. This is one more sample of tax invoice. In this tax invoice, you can see code SAC. This is for service sector like hospital, hotel, transport, etc. SAC means Service Accounting Code. HCN for goods and SEC for service. GST is different for different products and different services. GST is categorized into 5 slabs. Those slabs are 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. It is given on page number 84 of Maharashtra State Board books. So let's learn more about these slabs. First slab is 0%. Under 0%, goods, essential commodities like food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, salt, earthen pots, etc. In services, charitable trust activities, transport of water, use of roads and bridges, public library, agriculture related services, एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज मीन्स जो हमारी फंडामेंटल ज़रूरतें हैं वो सभी 0% GST के अंडर आती हैं. सेकेंड स्लैब इज लो रेटेड 5%. गुड्स कॉमनली यूज्ड आइटम्स LPG, सिलेंडर, टी, कॉफ़ी, ऑयल, हनी, फ्रोजन वेजिटेबल्स, स्पाइसेस, स्वीट्स एक्सेट्रा. एंड इन सर्विसेज railway transport services, bus transport services, taxi services, air transport, economy class, hotels providing food and beverages. आपने नोटिस किया कि if vegetables को हम frozen पैक फॉर्म में लेते हैं तो यह 5% GST के अंडर आती है. अदरवाइज वेजिटेबल्स 0% GST में आते हैं. सेम ब्रेड का पैकेट भी 5% GST में आता है. Third is standard rated. First slab 12%. Goods, consumers goods, butter, ghee, dry fruits, jam, jelly, sauces, pickles, mobile phone, etc. Services, printing job work, guest house, service related to construction business. Fourth is standard rated second slab. GST is 18%. Goods, marble, granite, perfume, metal items, computer, printer, monitor, CCTV, etc. Services, courier service, outdoor catering, circus, drama, cinema, exhibitions, currency exchange, broker services in share trading, etc. Fifth is highly rated 28% GST. Goods, luxury items, motorcycle and spare parts, luxury car, pan masala, vacuum cleaner, dishwasher, AC, washing machine, fridge, tobacco products, aerated water, etc. Services, 5-star hotels, amusement parks, water parks, theme parks, casino, race course, IPL games, air transport, business class, etc. So, how to calculate the GST of any product? GST is the total of CGST and SGST. CGST goes to central government and SGST goes to state government, and we have to pay GST. CGST is equal to SGST. Suppose if the rate of GST is 18%, then CGST and SGST will be half of GST. Therefore, CGST is equal to SGST will be 9%. So now you know all about GST. Let's solve the exercise of this lesson. First sum of exercise 4.1. Pawan Medical supplies medicine on some medicines. The rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? In this sum, the rate of GST given is 12% and the rate of CGST is always half of the GST. Therefore, the rate of CGST is equal to half of 12%, that is 6%, and the rate of SGST is always equal to rate of CGST. Therefore, rate of SGST is also 6%. So answer is CGST is 6% and SGST is also 6%. Second sum of this exercise. On certain articles, if the rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of GST? As we know, the rate of SGST is equal to the rate of CGST and the rate of CGST given is 9%. Therefore, the rate of SGST is also 9% and the rate of GST is total of CGST and SGST. Therefore, 9% plus 9% is equal to 18%. So, the SGST is 9% and GST is 18%. Third sum of this lesson is MS Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and a taxable value of each tin is rupees 2,800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. In this sum, rate of luster paint given is rupees 2,800 and real paint sold 2 tin of luster paint. Therefore, taxable amount of 2 luster paint is rupees 5,600 and the rate of GST given is 28%. Therefore, the rate of CGST is equal to the rate of SGST and it is always half of GST. So, half of 28% is 14%. The amount of CGST will be 14% of taxable value. So 14% of 5,600 is rupees 784. Therefore, the amount of SGST is also rupees 784. The amount of CGST is rupees 784 and the amount of SGST is also 784. So students, please try to solve the exercise of this chapter based on GST. If you like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.